Welcome back. Just a quick video. I mentioned I was going to show you the wax crayon method to get rusty bolts undone, rusty nuts and bolts. We've all been there. We've all had rusty nuts and bolts where we know that one more turn of the ratchet or the spanner is going to round off the nut. What do? You reach for WD-40. That doesn't really do anything. You end up rounding the nut off, and then it's a world of pain to try and get it undone. So Paul has showed me the wax crayon method. So yeah, what you need is wax crayon, bit of heat, and yeah, well, I won't talk about it too much. I'll just show you. So cue the jazzy music, and let's see if it works. Look at the state of that.
Yeah. Once you warm it up a bit. It'll work.
I don't know about warming that up a bit.
It will. No, you just need to be good with it. If we can warm up that thread enough that I can melt the crayon out. You've got to get enough of it. It's like seeing a bottle of wine, isn't it? I'm telling you.
Enough of it. Looks like it's covered in cheese now.
It don't smell like cheese. To be fair, it smells like feet. That'll be fine. Just give it a second. If that goes in like it's gravity, we need to turn it upside down. Gravity's not my friend anymore. Right, and then get your 10 mil on it. And then, I'm telling you, man. Which one are you on? Oh, that feels a bit warm.
Is that coming undone?
It is. Tight now. Look, that's coming out, man, I'm telling you. See? Tell me that ain't coming out.
Do it again then. That does look like it's come out.
Oh, you see? Right. See, we need to now decide if we need
more crayons.
Well, what colour? Yeah. Blue might be better. We could be using the wrong crayon for the wrong thing. We need a different colour. Getting loosey-goosey, ready to be exposed to the thread with no nut on it. You ready? Ta-da! With the nut in there, look.
No way.
Yeah! See?
Okay, I'm impressed. There you go, it works. I hope you found that useful. Give us a like and subscribe down below, and see you next time.